Hello everyone, welcome back to the next part of integrating Redis with NextJS. So here we will be looking into the sort command, and also we will be completing the ending time, displaying the ending time items. So yeah, let's get started. So first, if you are watching this tutorial after coming back to Redis after long time, if you are following this tutorial, so there could be a high chance here that your Redis database could be deleted, because if you haven't touched it regularly, because we are on the free tier. So first check that. I've already shown you how to create a Redis database. So if it is deleted, make sure you create it again, and if your database is deleted, you will have to sign up the user again. So go to localhost 3000. For me, I don't know why 3000 is not working. I'm getting some error. That's why NextJS is redirecting me to 3001, but in your case it should be 3000/sign up. We have already covered sign up as well, so make sure you sign up that user, and once you go to localhost 3000, you should be able to at least see this particular thing, the id, user id, as well as the username. Now I will go to /create item. So localhost 3001 or 3000/create item, and we had this, right? We can add something like this name. I can add an image, so I'll just copy paste this image, copy image link, and I can add some price as well, suppose 12, and if I click on create, it redirects me to this main page, localhost 3001, and here you can see deck has also been added. So depending on when it is expiring, by that I am displaying the ending time. I'll come back to by views as well, where we are sorting the items. So first let's go to ending time. So here inside by ending time.ts, previously we were just logging it to the console, but here now what I am doing is that once I get the IDs, we are just using promise.all, so IDs.map, then we use client.hgetAll, pass our items keys, and from that we get the results. Then we just map over all the results and do deserialization for it. So pretty simple. Next, if I go to page.tsx, I'm calling this items by ending time. If you want, you can create a server actions as well, but I don't think that is really needed. We can directly call this particular function. So that's what I'm calling. Ignore this by views for now, and here I have just added one h1 tag. Then I have created this component called ending time. So here if you see, inside components folder I have created ending time, and I'm just passing our items, and I'm mapping over it and just displaying all the data. Okay, if you want to change the ending time just to play around with it, you can go to actions index.ts, and here you can change to whatever you feel like. Also, whenever an item is created, we are logging the item ID. Okay, where is the item ID? So here is the item ID. You can use this particular item ID if you want, because suppose I have this particular item, right? I'll just refresh, maybe something has gone wrong. Okay, also you will get this maximum number of clients reached. This is because just restart your NextJS. This usually happens because of hot refresh or hot restart, whatever you call it, inside NextJS. If you are trying to continuously save it, it makes an connection to Redis, but this won't happen inside a production app, because hot refresh, hot restart is not part of a production app. So I'll just refresh this, hopefully, and here you can see I have gone to this particular item. Okay, so you can go to localhost 3000/items/ whatever is your item ID, and if I'm purposefully refreshing it so that I can increase the views for this particular item. And then if I go to our main page, if I refresh this now, here previously it was 17, now here you can see it has increased to 22, and for deck it is 0, desk it is 0, but you can go to desk and deck or whatever items you have created and try to refresh it, and that views will also be incremented. Now we need to sort this. So first, before coming back to code, I'll want to explain you guys some few of the things. So here, suppose I am using this Redis Insight which is a client which will help us to execute Redis command. So I'll just copy paste this, okay, and I'll paste it over here. Okay, so here you can see I'm creating 3 books: good book, bad book, and okay book. And with these are the titles for all the book, and these are the keys for all the book: good, bad, okay. And I have also attached year for all the books. Now I'm adding it according to likes. So good has 999, bad 0, and okay has 40. So I'll just execute it. So okay, everything got executed. Now here I already have this data, that's why you're seeing 0, but in your case you should see 1. Then if I need to sort them alphabetically, this alpha stands for alphabetically, okay. And if I execute this, here you can see they are ordered alphabetically. Next, if I want to ignore the first and get the remaining 2, I can use limit. So if I execute this, here you can see you can only get good and okay, bad has been ignored. Next is sorting by likes, sorting by year. So if you remember, so it should be bad, okay, and good, right? So if I execute this, bad, okay, and good. So next command is sorting by year, but we are getting the book's title, okay. So if I execute this, if I run this, here you can see we are getting the title of the books. Then we are sorting by year, but we want the title as well as the year. So if I execute this, here you can see I'm getting both. But be careful, like this won't be the output which you will see in JavaScript. You will get an array, but it won't be like a JSON object. So we will have to do few of the other things as well, which I will show you in a bit. Next, here we are using this get hashtag, which means I want to get the ID. So I want to get the ID, the title, as well as the year. So if I execute this, here you can see I'm getting the ID as well, which is bad, okay, and good. And the last thing is, if I want to if I don't want any kind of sorting, so here you can just pass no sort. If you enter some gibberish as well, as long as that particular thing is not present inside your keys, then also it will do no sorting. But just to be on the safe side, don't enter some gibberish, otherwise people won't know what exactly you are doing. So here you can see we have not sorted it. Now coming back to our code, what I have done is that, so here inside byvuejs.ts, so I have created this file called byvuejs.ts. Coming back to our byvuejs.ts file, so I have created this new file, and here you can add all the imports. Firstly, here it takes an order. If no order is given, it will be descending. Offset, which is 0 by default, and count, which is 10. So here now we are using the sorting logic which we have just learned. So I'm just calling client.sort, passing our key, and inside get we are first passing the hashtag, which is for getting the ID, then the name, views ending at image URL, and price. And I'm doing a by of no sort, direction is order, and limit I'm passing the offset as well as the count. Then I have created an items array, and here I'm just looping over the results.length. I'm getting our results, so I'm getting back the ID, name, as well as the rest of the things, image URL, price, ending at. Then I'm deserializing it, passing the ID as well as all the other values. Then I'm pushing it to our items array, and for results we are just appending it to our results variable, rest of the stuff, sorry. And here I'm just returning items back, so I don't really need this, okay. And inside page.tsx, as you can see, if I go at the very top, I have created one more component called byViews, and here I am just calling our items.byViews, and if you see our byViews, we are passing that as a prop. Then we are looping over our byViews, and we are passing our index, just an h1 and a p1, and if the image.url is not equal to nil, then only we are displaying our image. So okay, again the same thing. I'll just stop it and rerun it again, and if I just refresh this, so here you can see this is for by views. So this is the entire thing. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.